Sing that shit. Shit.
Alright, so good evening everyone. Over here today we are gathered for another group discussion interview and today's topic would be given by Ditto. So Ditto, please.
Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for giving me the chance to select the topic today. So I'm very much excited today, and we are having our group discussion after so long, and I can see your faces. I'm so much excited and happy today. And so the topic is today like pros and cons of lockdown. So yeah, this is the topic today, and I want to give the chance first to Premjit. Let's hear what Premjit has to say. Premjit.
Thank you, Dipto, for giving me an wonderful opportunity. After so long time, we actually gathered. So our today's topic is pros and cons of lockdown. See, it's a very interesting topic, and love to answer onto this topic. The first and the foremost, there are many pros, there are many cons, but there are first start with disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of having lockdown? Overall, this topic holds overall it is the overall disadvantage wala topic, but there are some points, there are some disadvantages of it. The first and the foremost disadvantage is that the person who have secure job, who have a secure job, it become easy for them to survive into this situation. But the person who don't have the secure job, who are daily labor, who are wage worker, for them it's quite difficult to survive, because at this point of time everything is locked down. People stop their everything, all the industrial work has been stopped, so many people lose their jobs. As hotel personnel, we as a hotel personnel, many of the hotel employee also fired from their job. So there are disadvantages, but side by side there are also some advantages. What are the advantages we have learned in this lockdown? The first advantage, the first and the foremost thing which you have learned is that don't put all your eggs in one basket. As I've said every time, this lockdown has teaches us that, because we don't need to focus only one department, only one job, because that job may gonna get fired from that job at any point of time. So we need to secure our wealth onto the another job and try something new, learn something more which can help ourselves in future to earn lots of money. Even there will be another coronavirus like stuff. So there are advantages. The second most advantages is that we try to understand is that other than our family, other than our home, this is the situation which we have learned is that the things which we are doing at the things which we are doing at normal days, it's so important. It's so important because we don't value those things. We go out, we go to colleges, we go to schools. At this point of time, when I actually stayed in home, we try to understand that no, bro, that college days are more good enough than this lockdown days. So there are disadvantages, there are advantages. So there are many things, but I wanted to transfer this topic to Rishabh. Rishabh, if you wanted to add something onto this topic, you can add. Over to you, Rishabh.
Yeah, thank you, Premjit. And as Ditto also said that we are meeting after a long period of time and then we are again gathered for the group discussion. So it really feels very great to again see everyone. So the topic, it's very interesting topic that Ditto just gave, that the advantages and disadvantages of lockdown. Well, as Premjit also told that a lot of disadvantages are there more than advantages. So I want to start with the advantages first. So I feel that the most important advantage that we are getting in this lockdown is that we are getting time to spend with our family more. So I feel that this is something that we all people will also agree that before the lockdown, when there was like no one, we were always busy with our stuff, like going to college, for people out there going to school, or for people who were like going to job every time, going to job in the morning, then coming at night. So this was the normal routine. But after this lockdown came, we people are getting more chance to interact with the family. We people are giving more time to our family. We people are giving more time to our household work, which was never ever possible before. And sorry. And talking about the disadvantages, I feel that the biggest disadvantage that we are having over this lockdown is that we people are totally having a new kind of lifestyle which was not even planned. Like this, before lockdown, we all people were having a different routine, a fixed routine that I needed to do this in the morning, I needed to do this in the night. But after this lockdown came, it all gets shattered. Like we people are having a new routine now. Like every time we need to like stick at our home only, we are just going out just to buy groceries or necessary stuff. Then again coming back to home, doing a college online, doing our classes online, and everything is now different. Like we people are also like right now also we people are connected virtually, which was never ever possible before because we never had it to do only. Other than because if there would have been no lockdown, then maybe this would have happened that we would have done this group discussion in an offline manner. Maybe I would have been sitting beside Trenjit, even Dipto would have been sitting beside me, and we would have did this group discussion in an offline manner. But see, because of this lockdown, we people are now virtually connected. Otherwise, there is no other way also, there is no other solution also, because what really matters the most is that we need to live, and it's for the safety only about all of us because the outside situation is really bad. But yes, about this disadvantages, what I want to state is that we people are all scattered now. We people are only connected by virtual platform only. And talking about various stuff, like Ranjit also said that people are losing jobs. There have been many instances where people have got fired. Many, like if I talk about hotels, also hotels are also running in 50% occupancy. Many staffs are getting fired. Like people are not recruiting new people for this reason only, because if the hotel is not only having business, then how will he or she recruit other people? So I feel that these are the advantages, but we people don't have anything to do because we people have to accept the fact that this is happening, and let's hope for the best that things will get back to normal in no time. So that's
Yes,
it.
yes, Rishabh, I totally agree with you. And I just want to add something on your opinion. I totally agree with both of you. Like like see, lockdown is something we no one is want, right? But the lockdown against COVID is our final weapon, and vaccine also came before just 1 or 2 months. Like so, I want to start with disadvantages we're getting from the lockdown. Like, as everyone knows, people are getting fired from their jobs. They have had their settled jobs and they're getting fired, and economy is going down. So lots of things happening out there. But everyone, as you guys mentioned about the disadvantages, I just want to like give some light to some advantages what we can see like uh, so in nowadays people cannot go out, so they're doing whatever they are doing from their home. So by that, cars and all the transport systems are not very much usable. So by that, like the air is less polluting right now. So ozone layer is healing, and I want to share a news with you guys. Like some days before I heard, so from Punjab, from Punjab, Jalandhar to Himalayas distance is like 150 kilometers. But now people can see Himalayas mountains from Jalandhar onwards. So air is like cleaning, and the animals are now getting some space. They can come out, and they're having also some good time. So these are some uh, like major advantages I can think of right now. So yeah, I want to give the chance to Shalom if you want to add
Yes,
something.
Dipto. Yes, Dipto, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak. And before speaking, I would like to say that I'm very impressed with whatever you, Premjit, Rishabh had to say regarding the same. And right now, we are in a phase where the pandemic and the lockdown, they are almost about to end. I know that the lockdown has been extended for 15 more days, but I don't think that any more lockdowns will be imposed after that. And since it's a thing of the past, then in that case I would like to share some lessons that I learned from the lockdown. So like the first lesson is that the people no, not the people, like the thing is that the people from like on the online medium, all right. So on the on the online platform, people are able to access and reach out to heights that have never been reached before. Like everything right now is possible online. The teachers are teaching online, and then and there are other lessons that are available online as well. Like if you want to if you want to learn an instrument, then you can always opt for online lessons. So people are always constantly searching for new opportunities online, and it has been skyrocketed, especially during the time of pandemic. Also, pandemic has taught people to be in a union all the time and not to create. And the lesser mess you create, the better results it will give you in the future. So I hope that people take this lesson from the pandemic and try to work in harmony and unity rather than creating hustles and chaos for their own selfish motives. And also, this pandemic has taught me to be much more hygienic and health cautious than I was previously. And I believe that it is not only for me, but the same goes for everyone else as well. And as Dipto has already said that the ozone layer is healing, then I would like to rectify Dipto once by saying that it has already healed. The recent article from the Times of India, yeah, I read yesterday. It said that the ozone layer it has already healed up because of the less pollution created since vehicles are not in use. And recently, a new thumbnail has been published by the government, which imposes not a lockdown but like a schedule, which which I don't think it's gonna cause major harm to any of the sectors because I believe that 50 since the ratio of people that are available online is on online in the sense they're working offline in the office itself is 50% and the rest of the staff they're working from home, so I believe that their coordination and output will be pretty uniform and balanced. And the bad things, obviously, the pandemic itself, it's the word itself means negativity, right? So the bad things are pretty obvious. We are missing our college days and the experiences that we will perhaps never get in life ever. The experiences that we have missed in life, the days that we could have remembered as memories, we have lost those days spending them in our homes. And not only that, because of this, so many people have fallen into depression, and so many people have lost the will to live. So mental issues have been rising at an alarming rate during this pandemic. That is all I have to say. Thank you so
I
much for letting
totally,
me speak.
I totally agree with you, Shalom. And let's hear what Suprakash has to say. Suprakash?
Yes, thank you, Dipto, for giving me opportunity. So good to see you guys. After a long time, we together. So today's topic, first of all, I want to say that advantage of this pandemic situation. See, অ্যাডভান্টেজ হচ্ছে আমরা যাই বলি না কেন আমরা বাড়িতে বসে কি করে মানে কি করা যায় এগুলো আমরা আগে জানতাম না। সেটা হচ্ছে যে অনলাইনের মাধ্যমে আমরা এখন সব করতে পারছি। দেন আগে হচ্ছে যে আমরা আগে সব অফলাইনে করতাম এক জায়গা থেকে অন্য জায়গায় গিয়ে। এই জিনিসটা হচ্ছে আমার কাছে অনেক ভালো মনে হয় যে একদিক দিয়ে মানুষ এই জিনিসটা শিখতে পারছে যে অনলাইনে বসে কি করে কি করা যায়। দেন ফ্যামিলির সাথে একসাথে সময় কাটানো। অনেকে হয়তোবা অনেক কাজের জন্য দেশের বাইরে থাকতো। তারা হয়তোবা একসাথে এখন ফ্যামিলিতে অনেকদিন ধরে সময় কাটাতে পারছে। অবভিয়াসলি এর তো ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ অনেক বেশি। ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ হচ্ছে যে মানুষের মধ্যে মানে লেজিনেস এর যে একটা মনোভাব, সেই মনোভাবটা চলে এসছে। মানুষ এখন কোনো কাজ করতে গেলে সেই কাজগুলো এখন আর আগের মতো করে করতে পারে না। যেকোনো কাজ করতে গেলে মানে মনে হয় যে বাড়িতে বসে করতাম, এখন অফলাইনে হয়ে গেলে তো খুব প্রেশারাইজড হয়ে যাবে ব্যাপারগুলো। দেন বলবো যে মানুষের বাড়িতে বসে থাকতে থাকতে একটা ডিপ্রেশনের যে একটা সিচুয়েশন, এই সিচুয়েশনটা খুব মানে অনেক ফেস করেছে, মানে অনেক ধরনের ইভেন্চুয়ালি আমিও ফেস করেছি। সো এই দিকটা হচ্ছে খুব মানে খুব বড় একটা ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ, যেটা হচ্ছে ডিপ্রেশন। অনেক মানুষ কাজ হারিয়েছে, হোটেল ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে কাজ নেই। সো সব দিক মিলিয়েই মানে ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজ বেশি, অ্যাডভান্টেজ হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ দীপ্ত যেটা বললো যে এনভায়রনমেন্টে হ্যাঁ খুব ভালো একটা প্রভাব ফেলেছে, কারণ হচ্ছে মানুষজনের চলাফেরা কমেছে, প্রকৃতিও একটু সুস্থভাবে মানে নিজেদের মধ্যে কাজ করে নিতে পারছে প্রকৃতি। এই তো আর
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you,
Shalom, I
thank you,
totally.
Shuprakash. The points which you have concluded, one point which I wanted to say onto depression. Yes, depression has become the utmost concern of at this point of time, because Students are feeling so much depressed at this point of time. They are thinking about their future, what will happen. Either the industry will open, either if we all get back to the normal days, what will happen or what not. But at some point of time, we need to thankful to the God also, that God, that this situation we can't, we don't need to face this situation when we are young, when we are doing job. Suppose at this point of time we have our own family, and we have been fired from our own job, from that job which we are doing, then what will happen? This lockdown teaches us one thing, is that anything might get happen, but we need to prepare to that, onto that thing. Saving is very important, because at this point of time people get to understand how important saving is, how important, how to save that money. And the other most important thing is that everyone get to understand that how important skill is. Everyone need to learn one more important skill, because student might get depressed, but at this point of time student need to learn something more which can help them to earn money in future. It is very important for the student to understand the situation and to think for the future, because in future might, like similar to corona, might another virus will came and burned off everything. And at this point of time we are young, we have seen that, and we're thankful to that we are still alive. We're still alive. We eat food each and every day. We are having food. Many of the people not having their own food also. We need to thankful to the God at this point of time. Yes, depression will be there, but we need to get motivate ourselves. We need to talk. We need to arrange this type of GD session wherein we can talk with our friends, wherein we can communicate with our friends. We can also add some teachers onto it, wherein we can also talk with teachers, frankly, with friends, wherein we can upgrade ourselves more. Because one of the most important thing which always need to be constant within ourselves is the learning. Learning always need to be constant. So I have concluded the points. I wanted to conclude after some point of time also, and I wanted to give chance to Deepto. Deepto, if you wanted to conclude onto this topic to any of the points, what you wanted to conclude, please conclude.
Yes. I want to conclude that whatever you said is very much true. And one point you just mentioned, and I just wanted to say something on it. Like, yeah, it's true. There is lots of people in India and all over the world also. They're not getting food. They don't have money. They just don't have the food. Also, they're not. They're sleeping hungry. And with that, I want to say, like, there are some industries like education, agriculture, and a service industry and our hotel industry also are very much affected by that. Economy is so much down, and so much people have loses their jobs. So there will be like depression and anxiety also, because people are always in their home, and they are also having some good time also with their families. They are they are hopefully having those times, but the truth is how much long they can like stay in their homes and without a job. Money will be finish someday. So people need real jobs, and as Premjit also mentioned, that we have to like learn something on this time. We have to like give our time to learning some real life skills, so that we can cope up with the situation. So yeah, so that's all I just wanted to conclude, and let's give a chance to Rishabh, if Rishabh
Yeah,
want to conclude.
yeah. What I would like to conclude by saying at last is that, as Victor also said, the one point which I really liked about his one point is that how longer can a person stay at their home? This is actually a very vital point, because we all have been, like, for example, if I take as a random opinion, we all have been staying in a home for the past 1 year. So we all people are locked up in a home. We are not able to go outside. And if I talk about education, I feel that the most affected area is educational department, because education right now, what has happened is that everything is virtual. We people will start forgetting only what our offline education was literally. For example, I have a cousin brother. My cousin brother was in class 4. Entire class 4, he did virtual examination, he did virtual classes. Entire class 4 just went like that only. Now he's promoted to class 5, and even the class 5 is happening in the same manner. So people are actually forgetting only what real blackboard means, what the chalk means, what the teaching means, because everything is now right now in Zoom meeting or Skype or Google Meet. Everything is like this only right now. All the children out there are really forgetting what this offline education, what this offline entertainment really meant to them, because even going to schools, even going to colleges was not just a piece of education for us, but also a piece of relaxation and entertainment for us also. Because we used to talk with each other, we used to crack jokes, we used to like mock the teachers out there. This is not a normal thing that we all people did, but look at now, we people are not able to do anything. So I feel that yes, this thing is happening for a betterment only, that we people are not, government is not allowing us to go to college just to contain the spread of virus and all this, etc. Whatever the reasons they are saying, we cannot cross question them. But yes, one thing is for sure, what Dipta just said, that people cannot live at their home for a period of long time, because if things happen like this, that even the lockdown, if it extends for more than 2 or 3 months, then people will definitely go crazy, because every person needs at least every person needs a relaxation, that I need to go over there, I need to do something. They will get a relaxation that, but along with that, we all people have to accept also the fact that things will get back to normal, and hopefully everything will be again be the same what was before. So that's what I want to say.
Yes, I totally agree with you, Rishabh. You
So
just
over to
have
you,
mentioned
Dipta.
some great points. Yeah, you just have mentioned some great points. So let's hear Shuprakash.
Okay,
Shuprakash, if you want to,
I
yeah.
want to conclude this topic that was
Suprakash, please speak little louder.
okay. So conclude করতে চাই বলি যে এই সিচুয়েশনে আমরা চাই যে যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব এই সিচুয়েশন যাতে হ্যান্ডেলে চলে আসে, আমরা আবার আগের লাইফে ফিরে যেতে পারি। দেন সবাই যাতে সুস্থ থাকে। আর হচ্ছে যে ওই সিচুয়েশনের জন্য অনেকেই চাকরি হারিয়েছে, অনেকে মানে সুইসাইড করেছে। এগুলো আসলে মানে সবার জন্যই খুব খারাপ একটা দিক। মানে সবারই খুব খারাপ লেগেছে এগুলো দেখার পর। মানে অনেক মানুষ এগুলো দেখার পরও কিছু করতে পারছে না, কিছু দিতে পারছে না। এই তো। আর বলতে চাই যে এখন আমাদের এই সিচুয়েশনে হয়তো অনেক কিছু শিখেছি। বাড়িতে বসে হয়তোবা অনেকে অনেক কিছু শিখেছে। আ আমাদের ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে যেরকম কুকিং সাইড নিয়ে অনেকেই বাড়িতে এগুলো নিয়ে এক্সপেরিয়েন্স করেছে। যারা সিঙ্গিং সাইড তারা বাড়িতে বসে অনেক কিছু করছে অনলাইনে, এটা সেটা। হ্যাঁ, ভালো। একদিক দিয়ে ভালো। কিন্তু অন্য দিক দিয়ে দেখতে গেলে এই জিনিসগুলো আসলে রিয়ালিস্টিক ব্যাপার তো। মানে সামনাসামনি না হলে কিছু করা যায় না। সো যেরকম অ্যাডভান্টেজ আছে ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজও আছে। তো এই বলে আমি আজকে আমার শেষ করব আর
See
টপিক।
Yeah.
how crazy things happen. Na? We actually face this situation when our technological advancement is so good at this point of time. See how situations
Hmm.
manage itself. If we can't able to connect with our friends in offline mode, but we still want have a chance, have a way to connect with our friends in online mode. How strange the things arranged by the God itself, right now. Okay, over to you, Shalom. If you wanted to add something, Shalom, please conclude.
Yes, of course. I would like to conclude by saying that during this time of pandemic, things have changed very drastically from offline mode to online mode of living the normal everyday life. And through the online medium, we are yet even in these times of difficulties, we are able to gather knowledge, and we are able to apply it in our day-to-day life, and we are preparing for our future when the pandemic will be over. So this pandemic is not stopping us from gaining any kind of knowledge or experience. Yes, we are missing out on the practical experience, but we will gather that, and it would be much easier for us to gather the practical knowledge when we are clear with the theoretical part thoroughly, right? And also, uh, as I said, that people are utilizing their free time in this online board through various platforms like YouTube. Like people who just used to watch videos on YouTube for passing out their normal time, they themselves are creating videos and gaining thousands and lakhs of views every day. So every day, if something new we get to see because of this online mode, people are able to communicate with each other more clearly through these various social platforms. So this would like to be my conclusion that
Thank you.
even yeah, I would like to conclude by saying that even
Sharon,
after the
please speak
pandemic
little
is
louder
over,
because I think your voice is
yes.
coming.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so I was saying that even after the time of pandemic has concluded, I would thoroughly suggest and request the proper development and improvement of online mode of communication, because we never know that we might be hit by some future pandemic, and we should always be prepared for it. So that would be my conclusion to today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalom. Thank you. Your points are really great. But one thing I have to add, I wanted to add is that the small things which we do before lockdown has so much of existence into our personal life that we have understand. Either going to train local trains and getting so much of busy life going and coming out of the college and have a lunch and then have some snacks, have really great some existence into our personal life. Small things which we do, traveling, either it be talking to our friends, either it be real life communication, has so much of existence. This lockdown teaches us that, because we can have lot of things to blame, but one thing which this lockdown teaches us is that small things which we do has really have some great existence into our life. That's what I want to add. If anyone wanted to add, please. Anyone wanted to add something?
I think that everyone has concluded, so this is the end, I guess.
Okay. I think this session will actually help us a lot, because after so long time we are doing this because we are having our own practical exam. It has
I'm
completed. Now the theory exam part is left
going to
over.
come.
So from today onwards, we will continue this session. I think, Rishabh, right?
We will. We will.
Exactly. So it will help us more, because I have seen that after so long point of time when I'm actually used to speak onto that topic, what happened is that क्या होता है ना, जब तुम एक काम पर रहते हो ना, मतलब तुम्हारा माइंड इंडल्ज रहता है ना, तब तुम्हारा बहुत आइडिया आता है, दिमाग भी काम करता है. That's the fact. And when you stop thinking, when you stop doing the things, when you stop communicating, you become less communicable. You forget some things, you forget some points, you don't know how to talk. It might
Yeah, you
happen.
were less
So
confident.
yeah.
You were less
So
confident. Yeah.
yeah, so we can carry on onto this session regularly or over after this day. So over to you, Rishabh. If you wanted to end this video, please end this video.
Well, I
And
would like to just say, I would like to say one thing at last is that it's been a while because of our examination. We were not able to be in touch, but it really feels really great that we people are again together discussing about all these random topics. So you also gave a very good topic to us, like the pros and cons of lockdown. It's really interesting and it really makes us think a lot about this topic also, because this is something that we have to think. And you gave this topic on spot, so there are a lot of things that we needed to think. So it was really great. And thank you so much, Dipto, for giving me this topic. And
Welcome, guys.
I really enjoyed it, and we all actually did. Yeah.
actually, we have all have enjoyed it, and we actually happy with all of you that we have actually come forward and actually come talk.
And
So
I'm
so anyone
happy.
wanted to
I'm
add?
mostly
Yes,
happy.
Dipto.
Yeah. I'm mostly happy today because I can see your faces, guys, after so long, and that's why I'm so much happy. And we are together after so long, and we are doing lots of PPTs and projects past days. So we are happy that we are a bit relaxed now, and we can have a great session, group discussion, and a chat session also. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Dipto. Shalom, Shuprakash. So, if you wanted to add something at the end to our viewers.
Yeah, I would like to tell all the viewers to just stay safe and to get their vaccinations done as soon as possible.
Exactly.
And to go out of their houses only when the need arises, and to not go out just for fun or just for hanging out for get-togethers. You can do that after the pandemic is over, but don't become a medium to spread the virus. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So that is all I would like to tell my viewers.
Exactly.
To all the
Vaccination is
viewers,
so
thank you so
important.
much for watching. Yeah.
Okay. We can end the video, Rishabh. So, guys, please
Yeah,
subscribe. Viewers, please subscribe, like, comment, share your thoughts, what you think about this topic. And we actually happy if you share your own comments. And over to you. And we can end this video. Thank you, everyone. So I'm stopping the recording. Okay.
yeah. Thank you.